So, good afternoon everyone. We're at Siem Reap Botanical Gardens. It's a bit like walking through a jungle, in all honesty. You wouldn't believe you're in the middle of the city. Take a look around. Got some amazing plants and ponds and animals. Quite a surprising discovery. We delved through the jungle path. Not for the first time, as you'll know if you've been following my videos. Makes a change from temples, I suppose. So this is the palm section, where they've got coconuts and dates and other palm varieties. So I would recommend a visit if you're in Siem Reap. It's in the city centre, but it doesn't feel like it. Nice sunny. Nice way to kill a few hours.